Hello traders and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to trade in Metatrader 5. Whether you're using a real account or a demo account, then this video is for you. I will take you step by step on how to open and close trades, and also how to set stop loss and take profits. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have Metatrader 5 installed on your device. So if you haven't downloaded or installed Metatrader 5, you just need to go to Google Play Store or App Store. Let me just quickly show you how to do that. So you either go to Google Play Store or App Store, and then you can download it right here. So this is the app and I already have it installed, so I don't have to download it again. Alright, then the next thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have an account with a broker of your choice. And then once you create an account with your broker, they'll send you an email, and that email has login credentials to Metatrader 5. So they'll send you a login ID and a password which you use when you're logging into Metatrader 5. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So once you have your login ID and your password, once you get to Metatrader 5, you just need to click on the 3-bar icon at the top left corner, and then you click on manage accounts, and then right here you can click on the plus button which is at the top right corner. You click on the plus button, then you find the broker here, so any broker of your choice. So for example, if the broker is FBS, so this is just an example, you're going to select the broker right there, and then you can type your login ID and your password right here, and then you make sure the server is correctly set, and then you just click on log in. So that way you'll have logged into Metatrader 5 and you're ready to explore. So the first thing that we're going to do, let me quickly show you how to get the currency pairs on Metatrader 5. So on the bottom left, so you can see the icon which is written quotes. So when you click on quotes, you can see all the list of the currency pairs, and also other commodities like gold, okay, and even indices. And if you want to add a new currency pair or a new quote, you just need to click on the plus button at the top, and then you can search for the currency pair or the index or the commodity that you would like to trade, and then you just click on it and it will be added here on this list. Alright, then the next thing, I'm going to show you how to place a trade. Okay, so if you want to place a trade, so there are two ways of doing it, or there are two types of trades. We have instant execution trades, which means you can place a buy or a sell at the current market price. And then there's also what we call the pending orders. So pending orders, there are two of them. There is limit, buy or sell limits, and then we have buy or sell stops. So I'm going to explain to you what that is. Okay, so let's start with the instant execution. So the instant execution means you are buying or selling at the current market price. Alright, so as you can see here at the top we have the two buttons, which is buy and sell. We have the buy and sell buttons. So, and if you don't see them, all you just need to do is to click on the button at the top right corner. So you see, when I click on that button at the top right corner, the buttons disappear, and then when you click on it again, the buttons appear again. Alright, so if you want to place a buy or a sell position instantly, let's say for example you've done your analysis and you found out that you need to sell, okay, so you just click on the sell button. But when you're doing it for the first time, you will have to enable, or you have to read through this disclaimer, and then at the bottom you have to click on, or you have to tick mark that checkbox that you accept the trading conditions and terms. So then you just click on OK. So from now on, when you click on the sell or buy button, then the order is going to be executed instantly. So for example, when you click on the sell, you can see the sell has been activated immediately. But then there's something else. If you want to adjust your position size, so by position size I mean the lot size, and how much you're willing to risk. So you can do this. So what I've shown you is if you want to place a trade instantly, okay, and you have already set your lot size. But if you haven't set your lot size, you just need to click on trade. So there's this button at the center, which is trade. Then at the top right corner, you can see the plus icon there. You just click on it, and then here you can execute your trades. So you can set your lot size. So the smallest lot size here is 0.01. Okay, so you can use 0.01, or you can use a higher lot size than that. So lot size means that each trade that you take, if your lot size is 0.01, it means that you are risking 1% of your account for every trade that you take. If you change your lot size, let's say for example to 0.05, it means you are risking 5% of your capital. So it's important that you understand the lot size and how much you're willing to risk in any trade that you take. Okay, if you use a very high lot size which your account cannot hold or withstand, then if the market goes against your direction, then you can lose your money. Okay, so it's important to use a good risk management strategy. Okay, so the next thing, as you can see just below there, you can see there's these two sections where you need to type in your stop loss and your take profit. So the stop loss means the price where or the price at which you're willing to close your trade if the trade goes against your direction. So this is what I mean. So when you look at the current market price, for example, or when you look at the position that we had opened right here, so we opened a sell position. So if the price continues going up against your direction, so what is the maximum loss that you can take? So that is what we mean by stop loss. Okay, so you just need to set the price. For example, if you want, let me zoom out a little bit. So let's say you're willing to take a maximum loss, let's say at this point. Okay, so you just need to set it right there. So that means that if the price gets to that level, the price will, or the trade will automatically be closed at a loss. So that is a strategy to preserve your account in case the price goes against your direction. And then the opposite of that is the take profit. So the take profit means the least possible amount of profit that you're willing to take. So if the price goes in your favor, okay, so let's say you're willing to, or you put the take profit at this point right here. Okay, if you put the take profit at this point here, it means that you're willing to take that amount of profit. That's the least amount of profit that you're willing to take. So these two, which is the take profit and the stop loss, they help you to preserve your trading capital in case the market goes against your direction. So you don't have to be monitoring your trades all over. Okay, So that's stop loss and take profit. Then the next thing that I want to quickly show you is the pending orders. Pending orders. So we've said there are two types of trades. There is instant execution and then there is pending orders. So pending orders means that you put or you place a trade at a specific point that price hasn't reached, with expectation that price can either reverse or continue in that direction. So there are two of them. So the first one, okay, let me just close this position that I had opened. So the first order is the sell limit and buy limit. Okay, so what that means is you place a trade at a specific point that price has not reached, and then you expect that price will reverse at that particular point. So this is what I mean. So, and to do that, this is what you do. So you just need to click on the icon which is at the top right. Let me quickly show you the one that I'm talking about. I'm talking of this icon. Let me show you. I'm talking of this icon right here. Okay, so that icon is the one that you click on if you want to open a pending order, whether it's a sell limit or a buy limit. Okay, so let's do that. So you just click on it, and as you can see on the chart, there's a sell limit that has been activated. So a sell limit, we've said, it means you expect that when the price gets to that level that you have placed the order, the price is going to reverse. Okay, so that is a sell limit. And if it's a buy limit, you put it on this other side. So if the price goes down and then reaches to where you have placed the buy limit, you expect that the price is going to reverse. That is a buy limit. Okay, and then on the other hand, we have a buy stop and a sell stop. So to do that, just click on the trade icon at the center, then click on the plus button again. So where you have market execution at the top, when you click on it, you can see all those pending orders. We have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So when you click on buy stop, for example, okay, first of all, let me tell you what it means by buy stop. So buy stop, you place it at a point where the price hasn't reached, expecting that when the price gets to that level that you've placed the trade, the price will continue in the same direction. So that is a buy stop and also a sell stop. You place them with expectation that when the buy stop or the sell stop are triggered, the price will continue in the same direction, which is the opposite of sell and buy limit. We said for buy limit and stop limit and sell limit, the price will get to your level and then it reverses. So that is the difference between the two. So, but if you want to place them, you just need to click on this icon at the top right corner, and then you can change here. You can select the one that you want, whether it's buy stop, whether it's sell stop, buy limit, or sell limit. Okay, so that is it. So just take your time and try to understand these things by yourself. But if you have any questions, you're free to let me know on the comment section, and I'll be ready to respond to each one of them. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and also turning on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video.